Good afternoon, guys. I got a G5.7 Hemi truck. Got a misfire on 4. We changed the ignition coils, spark plugs, injectors, everything in the book for just a regular misfire. Still throwing a misfire. So I took it to my hand and I decided to take the head off and evaluate the head valves and the lifters, and if they're super bad or they're good, I'm gonna just have to reevaluate the cam and take the whole timing chain out. So for just evaluation, I don't need to take the timing chain, just the head out. No cams in here, only one cam in the middle. Connect them, one chain, just one head.